Nutrition in complex animal involves the following step. In a nutrition, there are 5 types of step. First is ingestion. The process of intake of food is known as ingestion. बच्चे, when we directly eat food, mean to say the process of intake mean to say when we directly eat food, it is known as ingestion. So the process of intake of food is known as ingestion. The method of ingestion, taking of food, varies from one animal to other. बच्चे, different types of animal eat food by different methods. For example, we eat food by chewing and swallowing. We know that human beings eat food by chewing and swallowing, and hummingbirds suck the nectar. We know that butterflies suck nectar from flower, and snakes directly swallow their prey. So this is ingestion. So now next, that is digestion. The process of breaking down of complex food into simpler substances is known as digestion. बच्चे, when we break down the food, when we break down the complex food into its simpler substances, this process is called digestion. So the process of digestion is different in different group of animal, such as in human, grass eating animal, amoeba and so on. बच्चे, process of digestion is different in different types of animal. It varies from animal to animal. Clear? Now next one is absorption. The process of passing of digested food into blood vessel in the intestine is known as absorption. बच्चे, firstly, when food is digested in our body, then the process of passing of this digested food, the process of passing of digested food into blood vessels in the intestine is known as absorption. When this digested food moves into blood vessels, it is known as absorption. Clear? Next one is assimilation. The process of conversion of absorbed food into complex substances such as proteins and vitamins required by the body is known as assimilation. But now that food that we eat, it is converted into proteins and vitamins that are needed to our body. So the process of conversion of absorbed food into complex substances such as proteins, vitamins required by the body is known as assimilation. So in other words, assimilation is the absorption of nutrients from food by the cells and their utilization for various body functions. But in other words, assimilation is the absorption of nutrition. We know that there are nutrients that are given by food. So absorption of nutrition from food or by the cells and their utilization for various body function. It utilizes our various body functions. Next one is egestion. The process of removal of waste material from the body is known as egestion. But we know that there are waste products in our body and there is need to remove those products. So when the process of removal of waste material from the body is known as egestion. So the remains of food left after digestion is called feces. After digestion, when remains in left, this is called feces. So hence the process of egestion is called defecation. So the fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. But a waste material removed from our body through anus time to time. When there is need to remove, then it removed from our body.